students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education. Today we'll be covering chapter 12 of English, The Silver House. The Silver House is a poem written by John Lee. There's a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up, and 2 to pull it down. There's a man who lives in the silver house, in a lonely sort of way. But what is his name is no one knows, or no one likes to say. Yet, when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed because, of course, the poor man won't be there. Word meanings: crown, a silver coin that was used in England in the past. Window blind, a protective covering for the window. A window blind keeps out light. Taken down, pulled down, dismantled. Questions for practice. Question number 1 says, what do the following words in the poem mean? A. Crown. B. Round. C. Draw. D. Blind. Do these words have any other meanings? List them. 2. Find 4 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. 3. In each of the following line, spot the sound that is used repeatedly. 1. There's a silver lining house in the lovely sky. 2. As round as silver crown. 3. It takes 2 weeks to build it up, and 2 to pull it down. 4. What is implied in the following phrases or lines? A. A silver house in the lovely sky. B. It takes 2 weeks to build it up. C. And 2 to pull it down. Question number 5. Make a pair presentation of the poem in the class. Question number 6. The man in the moon is mentioned in many nursery rhymes and stories. When people see the spots on the surface of the moon, they imagine that it's a human face or the figure of a man who lives on the moon. Sometimes other characters like rabbits are also imagined to live with the man. Here are 2 nursery rhymes about the man in the moon. The man in the moon came down too soon to ask the way to Norwich. He went by the south and burnt his mouth with eating cold peas porridge. The man in the moon looked out of the moon, and this is what he said. "'Tis time that, now I'm getting up, all babies went to bed." 7. Are there any stories, legends about the moon or special names for the moon in your language? Talk to your friends and family members and collect the information. 8. Do you know any poem or song about the moon in your own language? Sing it in the class. 9. Form pairs. Write a poem with rhyming lines on at least one of the following: the moon, stars, a tree, a flower, a river or chapter today.